Welcome back to KineFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akin Lakin. So guys, I dropped a strategy not long on killer boom and crash strategy that is on a scalping wheel. So now I want to give you the way to cash spike with the same formula. You understand? Now, this is the picture to have in head. Previously in those video I explained for boom, this is what you should look for. Look for the support level. Don't wait till the market hits some stop loss, then you buy. You understand? So if you have not watched those videos, I titled it Boom and Crash Killer Strategy 1 and 2. So now this is the killer strategy for spike. So how does the spike work on crash? You understand? So when price is ticking up and there is a spike downward, you understand? You expect another tick to break the high of the initial spike. Then you wait for another spike to happen. Either break the initial low or very close to it or create an equal low. Then you wait for tick to come back to the 20 and 5 moving average. At this level you sell, a spike will happen. Don't be confused. I'm going to show you on the chart. You understand? But first of all, let me show you the indicators. You understand? Still the same 20 and 5 moving average we are going to use. So now let's go to the chart. Just have this picture at the back of your mind. This is the two moving average. Have that picture. So people that are familiar with the price action, they will know that this is like head and shoulder pattern. You understand? There is a left, there is the head, and there is the right shoulder. You understand? There is a neckline. So, but we are not going to that. So, just have that picture at your head. You understand? Cram that picture on your head. So now, this is what I just explained. So you can see that this market is moving up. This spike happened. This tick break the initial high. Then another spike happened, which is very close to this low. Then price go back to the moving average. Then spike begin to happen downward. That's just typical example of what I just explained. You understand? So if you zoom in the chart, you will see that it is very clear. It look like head and shoulder pattern. So that is it. When markets want to change trend, markets always show patterns in all time frame. You understand? The only difference in every time frame is that trend lasts more than themselves. Like trend easily change on smaller time frame, while trend lasts long on higher time frame. If you see any head and shoulder pattern on higher time frame like 4 hour time frame, one hour time frame, daily time frame, that trend is going to take long before it change. But you can see a lot of trend in 1 minute time frame before the day break. Okay, fine. Let's see this. You can see that is an uptrend. It break down here. Before you know it, another trend begins. So that is how 1 minute works. So this is another typical example of what I just explained. The price is coming, there's a spike, and as market coming, it creates an equal high. You understand? It creates an equal high, then another spike happen. This is your entry point. Catch this spike. You understand, guys? I always tell you that when I drop strategy, try to demo trade. So I'm not expecting you to go into your chart and started trading. This is another one here. So there's a spike here, another one, then you enter from here. This is the head and shoulder. This is the right, left, and head. Markets will always show formation before changing trend. So if you know how to read out those formation, you will make use of it to make money to yourself. So guys, I wish you happy trading and always trade responsible.